Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We are given some external point of a circle. There is some external point to the center of the circle. The distance between the external point to the center is actually 13. Now, from this external point, if we draw a line, this is cutting the circle in 2 points. The so the point the chord inside the circle is actually 7 units, and from here to here it's actually 9 units. Right now, what is the radius of the circle? That is what we want to find out. Right now, this is a very nice problem. Earlier, we have discussed what we have discussed. There is an external point. Earlier, we have discussed and we have proved this also. If there is some external point, and if there are two chords A, B, and let's say C, D. This is C, this is D. Right. And these two chords, they're meeting at some point X. Then XA times XB equals XC times XD. Earlier we have discussed this. Right. Now we are given this part is actually 13. So let's extend this one. Let us extend this one. This will become diameter, right? CD will become diameter. CD will become diameter. But why we are extending? Because to make use of this formula. XA we know XA is 7 and XB is 9. Right. Now what is XA? Sorry, XA is we are given AB is 7. What is XA? XA is 9 plus 7, which is actually 16. So 16 times what is XB? XB 9. 16 times 9, 144 equals what is XC? If you assume the radius is R, then XC becomes this 13. 13 is from center to this point. 13 plus R, right? This is 13. One more R extra. So which becomes 13 plus R. And what is XD? XD is 13 minus R, right? We have to remove this R because we want XD only, not to the center. So 13 minus R. So 13 plus R times 13 minus R, which is 13 square minus R square, which is 169 minus R square equals 16 nines, which is 144. What does that mean? R square becomes 169 minus 144, 25. That means R equals 5. That is what we want. What is radius? Radius is actually 5. But how did we get this? We got this by using this very important theorem that from any external points, or the theorem is what? When there are two chords like this, two chords AB and CD. If these two chords are meeting at internally or externally, in this case they are meeting internally, in this case they are meeting externally, then XA times XB equals XC times XD. Right, here also XA times XB equals XC times XD. This is a very important theorem. In one of our other videos, we have proved this theorem. Right. Please go through that. We are using that result here. XA times XB, because this is one chord and CD is another chord. Diameter is also a chord. Just that it is the biggest chord. Right. CD is a chord. So XC times XD. Right. Yes. Thank you.